Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic idea. It's already transforming the entire world. From AI chatbots to self-driving cars to smart robots, artificial intelligence is becoming one of the most powerful technologies in human history. And while millions of people are distracted by entertainment and social media, smart investors are paying very close attention to the AI revolution. Because the companies leading this industry today could become the biggest financial winners of tomorrow. In fact, some experts believe AI could create more wealth over the next decade than the internet boom itself. So in this video, we're going to explore some of the biggest AI stocks investors are watching for 2026 and why these companies could dominate the future. Let's begin with one of the biggest names in artificial intelligence, NVIDIA. NVIDIA has become one of the most important companies in the AI industry. The company creates powerful graphics processing units, also known as GPUs, which are essential for training artificial intelligence systems. These AI chips are used by massive tech companies, research labs, cloud computing businesses, and even governments around the world. Whenever AI models become more advanced, companies need more computing power. And much of that power comes from NVIDIA hardware. That's why demand for NVIDIA chips exploded over the last few years. Major AI systems like ChatGPT and many advanced machine learning platforms rely heavily on this type of technology. As more businesses adopt AI, the need for powerful chips could continue growing rapidly. Many investors believe NVIDIA still has enormous long-term potential because artificial intelligence is only getting started. But NVIDIA isn't the only company trying to dominate the AI market. Another major player is Microsoft. Microsoft made one of the smartest decisions in modern technology by investing heavily into artificial intelligence early. The company partnered with OpenAI and quickly integrated AI into many of its products and services. Now AI tools are appearing inside Microsoft Office, Windows, cloud computing systems, search engines, and business software. Millions of businesses already depend on Microsoft products every single day. And now Microsoft is adding AI directly into those systems. This gives the company a huge advantage. Imagine millions of businesses paying monthly fees for AI-powered software tools. That could create massive long-term revenue for Microsoft. Many analysts believe Microsoft could become one of the biggest winners of the AI software revolution. Now let's talk about another important company in the AI chip race, AMD. AMD competes directly with NVIDIA in the semiconductor industry. While NVIDIA currently dominates AI chips, AMD is aggressively expanding its AI business. The company is investing heavily into new chip technology designed specifically for artificial intelligence workloads. Some investors believe AMD could capture a larger share of the AI market in the coming years. Even smaller increases in market share could mean billions of dollars in future revenue. That's why many investors view AMD as a potentially high-growth AI stock. Of course, higher growth potential often comes with higher risk. But some people believe AMD could become one of the biggest challengers to NVIDIA in the future. Now let's move away from hardware companies and look at AI software. One company attracting major attention is Palantir. Palantir specializes in advanced data analysis and artificial intelligence software. Its platforms help governments, military organizations, and businesses analyze huge amounts of information quickly. As AI becomes more important in cybersecurity, defense, healthcare, and finance, companies like Palantir could benefit significantly. Supporters of the company believe its AI systems could become critical tools for organizations around the world. Palantir has also gained attention because of its strong government contracts and growing commercial business. Some investors believe the company could become a major AI software leader over the next decade. Now let's talk about the massive tech giants entering the AI race. Companies like Amazon and Google are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. Amazon is expanding AI through cloud computing, logistics, automation, and online shopping systems. Its cloud platform already powers many businesses around the world, and AI services inside cloud computing could become an enormous business opportunity. Meanwhile, Google is integrating AI into search engines, online advertising, smartphones, and productivity tools. Google has been researching artificial intelligence for many years, and the company controls one of the largest data ecosystems on Earth. Because Amazon and Google already have billions of users, they have a huge advantage in distributing AI products globally. That's why many investors still see these companies as important long-term AI plays. But before investing in any AI stock, there's something very important people need to understand. AI investing can be extremely volatile. Stock prices can rise very fast during periods of excitement and hype, but they can also fall very quickly when fear enters the market. Not every AI company will succeed. Some businesses may dominate the future, while others completely disappear. History has shown that new technology booms create both massive winners and painful losers. During the internet boom, many companies collapsed while others became trillion-dollar giants. The same thing could happen during the AI revolution. That's why smart investors focus on research, long-term thinking, and risk management. Successful investing is not about blindly following hype. It's about understanding businesses, technology, competition, and future growth potential. Still, there's no denying that artificial intelligence is changing the global economy rapidly. AI is already transforming healthcare, education, transportation, finance, entertainment, and manufacturing. And experts believe this transformation is only beginning. Some economists predict AI could add trillions of dollars to the global economy over the next decade. That's why investors around the world are racing to identify the companies that could benefit the most from this technological shift. So now the question becomes, which AI stock do you believe could dominate 2026? Will NVIDIA continue leading the AI chip market? Can Microsoft dominate AI software? Could AMD become a powerful challenger? Or will a completely different company surprise everyone? One thing is certain, artificial intelligence is becoming one of the biggest technological revolutions in history, and the companies leading this industry today could shape the future of the world tomorrow. The AI revolution is only getting started, and the next few years could create some of the biggest investment opportunities we've ever seen. Subscribe for more finance and AI investing videos.